Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on a Mazda CX-5. First, understanding proper headlight alignment is crucial for safe driving, preventing glare for oncoming traffic, and ensuring you can see clearly. You'll need a few basic tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a measuring tape, and some masking tape. Before starting, confirm your tire pressure is at the manufacturer's recommended level, and empty any heavy cargo from your vehicle to ensure accurate measurements. Next, prepare your vehicle and the adjustment area. Park your Mazda CX-5 on a level surface, facing a wall or garage door approximately 25 feet away. Turn on your low-beam headlights. Use masking tape to mark the exact center of each headlight on the wall. Then, measure down 0.1 meter from these center marks and draw a horizontal line across the wall. This will be your target for the top of the low beam cutoff. Now, let's get to the actual adjustment. Open your hood and locate the vertical adjustment screw on the back of each headlight assembly. For most Mazda CX-5 models, this is a 10mm bolt or a screw that can be turned with a Phillips head screwdriver. To raise the beam, turn the screw counterclockwise. To lower it, turn clockwise. Adjust one headlight at a time, using a piece of cardboard or cloth to block the light from the other headlight for precise aiming. After adjusting, ensure both headlight beams are evenly aligned with your reference line on the wall. The top of the low beam cutoff should meet this line. Once satisfied, take your Mazda CX-5 for a test drive on a dark, level road to confirm the headlights illuminate the road adequately without blinding oncoming drivers. Remember to check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Proper alignment significantly improves night driving safety and comfort for everyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.